Hindi inasahan ng defense team ni Vice President Sara Duterte ang naging desisyon ng prosecution na hindi na isasalang sa witness stand sina Office of the Vice President Chief of Staff Attorney Zulaika Lopez at House Legislative Security Bureau Executive Director Captain Belinda Bello. Pero ayon kay Defense Spokesperson Attorney Michael Powa, ayos lamang ito sa kanilang panig.
Honestly, did not expect it. You know naman ang delicate na these things, but that was the prerogative of the prosecution and we have no objections.
Sabi ni Powa, normal lamang umano na may mga testigo matanggal sa listahan at hindi na maiharap sa mismong paglilitis. Aniya, maaari rin itong mangyari sa panig ng depensa kung sakaling maging sapat na ang mga naunang testimonya.
Although ang daming witnesses na listed, normal kasi na pag sa pre-trial brief, ilalagay mo na lahat ng pwede mong maisip. Kasi kung hindi, you will waive the opportunity. You will be barred from presenting that witness. Mauobjekan ka ng kabila kasi hindi mo nalagay sa pre-trial brief mo. But it doesn't mean na sa dami ng witnesses na nilagay namin, lahat iprepresenta namin. So I guess ito yung isang patunay na pwede talagang mangyari na although nalagay na list mo as witness and in fact nagpa-issue na tayo ng subpoena, you can still manifest that you will no longer be presenting that witness.
Nang tanungin kung kabilang ba si Attorney Zulaika Lopez sa listahan ng kanilang mga testigo, sinabi ni Powa na wala ito sa kanilang witness list.
Sa defense, hindi namin siya nailista. Hindi namin, titingnan muna natin kung kinakailangan pa talaga. But at this point, dun sa pre-trial brief namin, if I remember correctly, I hope I'm not mistaken kasi medyo mahaba yung list of witnesses namin. I don't think nilista namin siya, although there are reserved witnesses from DepEd and of course OPP. So we will just determine kung kinakailangan pa.
Gayunman, sinabi niyang hindi pa rin nila inaalis ang posibilidad na iharap si Lopez kung kakailanganin. Samantala, hindi naman direktang sinagot ni Attorney Powa kung hindi na dadalo sa impeachment trial si VP Sara dahil hindi na tetestigo si Attorney Lopez. Ayon kay Attorney Powa, hindi niya alam ang sagot at ayaw niyang pangunahan ang vice-presidente.
I don't know if she might still attend, despite the fact that na hindi na witness si Attorney Laika. So we'll just have to wait and see. But rest assured that if I do get confirmation, I will let you know.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Jigo Custodio ng 105.1 Brigada News of Manila, The Music News Authority.